Kabbalist Rabbi Yehuda Fetaya, who used to have to deal with the evil when he would try to help people and rescue them from being a prisoner of some dibuk, where a spirit of someone evil that died entered a person and took control over the body. In order for him to be able to convince that evil soul, that evil spirit, to get out of this person, he would have to, in essence, deal with them. He would have to communicate with them. He would have to convince them. He would have to even give them spiritual beatings, literally, by using holy names of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But nonetheless, he had to deal with the evil, even though it was for the sake of good, even though it was from the good side. He wasn't using witchcraft like some of these people use today, where they use all types of cards and Ouija boards and incense and all types of other witchcraft tools. He was using the power that literally is learned through an endless amount of effort and sacrifice from the Torah in order to help people remove these mazikim.